So what I'm showing you here is a C chord, okay? This C chord is all throughout this fretboard here. Okay, there's the C shape that I first taught you, right in here. You can see it. There's the second one that you learned, the A shape of C. There's the G shape of C right in here. Now here's the E shape of C. I want to get rid of all these to show you this one clearly. So you know how to play an E in the open position, the 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0 on strings 6 through 1. Here's that same shape, but starting with E being the bottom note. And you see how that's the same thing that you know? Okay? That shape right there. This C, G, the C, G, C, E, G, C is the same open E that you know. It's just that now you got to fret those open strings with your first finger. That's why I was trying to show you how to, hold that E chord with the 3, 4, and 2 fingers. Okay, versus the way that you're usually hold it in the open position with just fingers 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So we get out of here and go to this next chart. There says C minor. The only thing that's different in this chart versus the one I just showed you is the E got flatted. Okay? So this would be a very odd place to play an E minor chord, a C minor chord. I'm going to explain to you why. If you ring out that top E there, it's going to clash with this over here. So it could be done, but your focus would have to be on playing these notes only. Okay? That will give you a C minor. But let's make it a little bit more easy. How about that A minor that you know over in this area on the 2, 2, 1, and then open A, open B string, and open E string. Let's move that up 3 frets and start at C as our point. Do you notice how it's the same shape? Let me clear this out. This right here is that A minor that you know. Now don't worry about that G on the bottom there. Focus on that C there, that G there, that C there, that E flat there, which is the minor third, and that G. So that A minor shape that you know in the open position as A minor, that same exact shape, if you start and you bar your finger across the 3rd fret here to grab the C that we're seeing here, so your first finger would be going across like this. Okay? That would be your 4th finger, that's your 3rd finger on there, and that would be your 2nd finger. So what I'm trying to show you here is this, how these things repeat, these major and minor chords, because I told you, music's really easy. It's majors and minors, right? And the difference between those two things is only the move of one note, which you're seeing here, this E flat. Okay? Because in our other chart over here on the regular E, look what's going on. The E is not flat. So absorb this, call me with any questions, and I look forward to seeing you next week.